Hello, everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for your love and support. If you are new to my channel, welcome to our YouTube group family. Today we are going to learn how we can get amazing results using the camera raw filter. Let's get started. Duplicate the layer. Convert it into this smart object. The advantage of this smart object is that it is non-destructive. Go to Filter, Camera Raw Filter, or press Shift plus Control plus a short key on the keyboard. First of all, we will use curves. Click on the spots you want to change the contrasts. Click and move to the right for highlights. Move to left for shadows. Red marks are showing highlighted areas. Don't worry, we will turn off this later. Go to Basic. We will make this image temperature cooler. Increase in the exposure. Reduce the highlights. Increase the shadows. Reduce white. Increase the blacks. Increase the texture. We can turn off the highlights marks by simply clicking the graph type. By clicking on this, we can reset changes we have made, and we can get back these values by again clicking on this. In this way, we can see before and after we have made changes. Take your time adjusting the values, as long as you got the results you are looking for. Let's increase some sharpness, reduce noise, and reduce color noise. It will give a very minor effect on our object. Color Mixer. In Color Mixer, we will try to remove yellow from our image. Hue means color. You can say hue stands for color. When we decrease or increase the hue of any color, that means we are adding or removing it. Well, saturation means the amount of that color. We can say when we increase or decrease the saturation, we are controlling the amount of that color. And luminosity is simply lightness. Let's make our object a little bit more cooler. In color grading, we are moving it to blues a little bit. Here we can see what changes we have made in this specific filter. Adjust the opacity if needed. I am adjusting it 75%. For me 75% is okay. Here are our final results. Hopefully, you like and enjoyed it. If you are new, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you for watching.